Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to restart your iPhone if it's frozen on the Apple logo. So let's get started. Now this method is completely safe. It will not delete any of your data. You can do this really simple. First thing you're going to do is quickly press and release volume up, followed by volume down. And then you're going to hold down this side button. And the key here is to get the screen to be completely black and the Apple logo to reappear again, and the phone should restart. So to show you how that's done, I'm going to go ahead and quickly press and release volume up, volume down, and then I hold down this side button. And as you're holding down, you're just going to keep on holding. The main thing here is to get the screen to go all black, completely black, and then the Apple logo will reappear again. At that time, you'll let go of that side button. And once I see the Apple logo reappear again, and we're back in business, and it's going to go ahead and restart itself. It is safe because it will not delete any of your data. And if it doesn't work for the first time that you're trying, go ahead and keep on trying. Sometimes it takes a couple tries to get hang of this method. All we did was quickly press and release volume up, volume down, one after another very quickly. And then we held down this big side button until it got completely black like this and the Apple logo appears. And that is force restarting the phone, basically fixing it if it's stuck, because most likely it's a software glitch or bug causing it to be stuck on that Apple logo. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful, so please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. See you guys next time.